we sit in the tailbone. If you have one mat, so use the double mat like this, and sit on the double mat like this. So this is a really very effective and very good for your tailbone. So protect your tailbone, because some people the tailbone is too sensitive. So we need to protect the tailbone by using the mat. Fold the mat. So try to touch the hands on the floor. Inhale, open chest. Exhale, roll the spine, contract the core muscle, touch the shoulders. So knee touch the shoulders and hands front. Point your foot, stay here. And after that, contract your core muscle. So you need to contract, really very contract your core muscle and stay here for a while. Keep breath normal. Ekaha. Might be you cannot deep inhale now because our stomach is closed. So try to stay here. Try to feel your core muscle. This is, we need to do it. Keep breath normal. Stay here. Very nice. Stay here for a while. Very good. Keep breath normal. Inhale, exhale. Okay, might be you start to feeling in your stomach muscles. Extra fat start to shaking now. Keep breath normal. Yes, very good. Okay. So more 15 seconds. Try to touch your knees to the to your shoulders. Very good. Okay. Slowly come back. Relax. Might be you feel your shoulders too. Shoulders, inner thigh, psoas muscle and the core muscle. Okay, no problem. That is normal. We are working a lot of our core muscles. So open your mat. And now we will have one technique. What we technique do? Okay, take a look at me first. We are laying on the floor, on the mat, right? Hands is up, feet together. Inhale, engage, stomach in. Breath normal. Don't have to hold the breath. And now contract your core muscle inside, contract your core muscle down. So your core muscle have to be engaged and pulling down. Same like you tight your stomach area. So you need to contract your stomach area. So interlock your thumb, stretch maximum like a Tadasana. Whenever we do Tadasana, is the same as palm tree posture, but with laying down. Supta Tadasana, sleeping, laying down posture. Sleeping, palm tree pose, and contract your core muscle in. Contract your core muscle down, down. And the gravity can help you to feel the contract of your core muscle. Keep breath normal. Just feel the contraction. Contract. Awareness with your stomach. Okay, we can do 1 minute like this. Hands not on the floor. Hands up above the floor. Hands above the floor. Heels on the floor. Stretch your chest, stretch your stomach down. Contract maximum, keep breath normal. If you feel burning something on your stomach, take a rest. If not, then stay here. The correct alignment of this posture is, we need to feeling the stomach muscles pulling down. So you will feel only the muscles of the stomach. Okay, slowly relax. Okay, so how is your technique? You need to let me know from here. Okay, Technique number 3. Next technique. So this technique everybody has understanding, right? And everybody, I hope everybody can feel the stomach like gravity pressing down, right? So now if you're not feeling this technique, you will try often, then you will feel how to feel the pressure or extra fat contraction in your stomach pulling down in the gravity area. Okay, now we will do technique number 3. Hands up, left leg up, right hand touch the left foot and the left hand on the floor. So our body is moving a little bit to the left, and then hands up, both hands up, something like twist. We have to twist a little bit, touch and slowly come back. So both hands goes down, touch, come back, goes down, touch and come back, goes down, touch and come back. So this is, we need to try. Just try to lift up, not the head, not only the head, try to lift up your chest. So inhale, stretch, exhale, shoulders up, chest up, left hand on the floor, one hand on the floor, and then slowly come back. Inhale up, stretch, exhale down. Inhale, stretch up on the floor, your hands on the floor now. Inhale, exhale, hands and touch the floor, touch the feet. Okay, so this is the technique. We need to try our maximum. Don't bend the knees. Don't have to bend like this. So knee straight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Minimum 10 times. Maximum 20 times. Both hands touch the feet. It's a 1. Try to contract your core muscle while you lifting up. Try to lift your shoulders up, higher. Only one technique. Only one technique. Whenever we practice, we can improve a lot of health benefits. So try to keep best yourself. Don't force yourself. Do it, continue, and feel free to take a rest anytime. This is not a fitness class. This is a yoga class, and we listen to our body. So if you feel too much in your contraction in your stomach area, take a rest, 30 seconds, no worry at all. Because in the yoga, we never believe that we have to fight with our body, fight with our immune system, or fight with our self somewhere else, something. So we don't fight at all. We just try to understand each other. You understand your body, and your body understands you. It means there is two things, not only one. One is you, one is your body, and one is your mind. There is 3 things. Oh, not 2, not 1. There is total 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. No, not at all. There is total 25. There are, in our body, we have total 25 elements. 25. Including your spirit, including your mind, including your ego. So we have 25 elements. So who are you? You is the spirit. So you are the spirit, and you try to understand your body, and then your body will try to understand you. Okay, so once we're done, we take a rest.